Ding, ding, ding! Round 14. Taylor, the 11-week female, versus Fenway, the oversized 14-week-old male. Two Goldendoodles going at it. Yeah, they say that this is playing.
Somehow.
I don't know. Look at these two. Hey, Fenway! Fenway! Taylor, she holds her own though. Taylor, get him!
Yeah, good girl.
Where are we going?
Come on. Hey, Taylor, hey.
They're fine, they're fine.
Taylor,
they're fine.
bark at him. Come on, Taylor. Get him.
Ooh.
Woo, Fenny. Front row action.
Easy, Fen.
Easy, Fenny.
Ooh, shit.
Not on my feet, please. Don't bite my feet, Fenway.
Hey. Come on, Taylor. Kick his butt.
Oh my God.
This is day 2. Actually, Taylor has officially been here for 24 hours. Fenway's been here for a month. We're not insane.
I don't like my face, but I wanted.
You wait till she grows a little, Fenway. She's gonna be kicking your butt.
You're gonna be sore, kid.
Hey.
Wait, can you play the bowling game?
All right, Fen, come here. Taylor, say hi.
Get the caterpillar.
Taylor.
Can you get?
Look.
Can you
She waved.
Hey,
Hey, Taylor.
Oh, you're so
Oh, she's happy.
Ah, don't bite me.
She's happy.
No bite.
Fenway.
She's biting the cord.
Hey, look at me.
Daddy, she's biting. No, Taylor.
So, all right.
You're the big boy, Fenny. See, I'm the big boy. This is live action.
Live action. There's no money on this. Please do not call me Michael Vick. They're only playing. Look how cute. I love these guys. All right. Cut.